My hair, it does move. My hair, it do move. Hey y'all, it's me Deja B, back at it again with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys, I guess, an in-depth stretching routine of sorts. So yeah, I was thinking, finishing off another video and doing wash and go. As you can see, my hair is super duper shrunk, okay? Like, don't let the shrinkage fool you, boo. But my hair is super duper shrunk, and I think that I usually get a pretty good stretch with wash and go, especially if I use a good gel product. Don't mind this piece of hair. Separated a curl and now it's just like doing something weird. I think that I usually get a pretty good like full stretch and everything, and I've gotten my routine down really well when it comes to like stretching and keeping it stretched. And I was gonna like finish my other video off like saying, like, you know, if you want to see, you know, like how I stretch my hair, then you can see this video. And I know I probably stretched my hair in the other videos or like a few videos, but it's been so long, honestly, like too long, and I wasn't going to go through my wash and go videos and all of that to see which ones I stretch my hair in. So I figured I'd do a video fully catered to stretching my hair. So of course I start off with completely dry hair. You hear me? Completely, because that is what is most important, because you don't want to stretch your hair and then to be frizzy, because what's the point, you know? Like, you want your hair to last, right? So I let my hair fully dry, leave it overnight, make sure it's dry, use a blow dryer, then I let it air dry overnight, or you know, whatever is best for me. I usually do my hair late at night on the weekends anyway, well, when I work, but when I go into the office to work, which I'm gonna have to start doing soon, but you know, since the whole pandemic hit, I just do my hair kind of whenever I feel like it. So I let my hair fully dry overnight, and then I section my hair off. So then I have these two sections in the back, and I'm gonna blow dry it just like that in two sections. So have this hair here, very curly, very defined. You see that? Oh, period. Then I turn my blow dryer on, and I do it. This blow dryer only has 4 settings: off, low heat, high heat, and then cold, which is more like a cool. Oh, and then I guess it would have 5 settings because it has this cold button here. I guess like when you have it on low heat or high heat, you can press this button and hold it down and it'll cool off for a second, or you can just switch it to the cold mode and it'll do that. So I put it on high heat, and because that's just gonna get me where I want to go the quickest, so we're gonna do that. Stretch the hair all the way out, but keep the ends separate. And then I just check to see if the hair is where I want it to be. Sometimes I go back and stretch when I have fully like gone through the whole head of hair to see, just to like get it looking a little more full. I'm gonna do a little bit more. Okay, and there you go. Okay, so I basically just try to make sure the length is there, you know, like it's kind of even, and then I just continue all the way up. And then I try not to overdo it because my hair is in layers and I don't want all the layers, like it's not gonna all look the same anyway, but I try to keep the shape of my hair intact. You feel me? If you can't tell, I'm starting off by focusing on the roots, and then you go down the hair shaft. Go down, baby. Go down, baby. Go down, baby. Go down, 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 down. And honestly, I'm not always too pressed about like if it looks neck and neck on the same length, because with the humidity and all of that here in NC, it's gonna shrivel a little bit anyway, so you know it's gonna do its own thing a little bit. Plus I stretch it at night. I band it at night, so you know it'll get the stretch. But this is just the initial, you know, the initial stretch. And yes, if you do it on smaller sections, like don't do it in 4 huge sections, do it in maybe 8 or 12, or whatever you feel comfortable with, honestly. Baby, this hair though, my hair, it does move. My hair, it do move. Another thing that's really important, if you have like different textures, or like, you know, yeah, basically if you have different textures of hair, like some parts of my hair are looser than others, of course I concentrate a little bit less on those sections. Like this side is a little bit looser than this side, so when I stretch this part, I try not to do too much because otherwise it's gonna like lose the texture and be really frizzy, which it tends to sort of do anyway. But I try to keep the texture intact as much as possible. And then this front part of my hair is a little bit loose than like right here, but yeah. And then the back part of my hair is a little bit looser too. And then the crown is always the thickest. It's always the thickest. But yeah, usually, let's say if I was going somewhere important, I probably would pick my hair or like separate it some more, but I'm not really gonna do that because separating it increases the frizz. So I'm just gonna let my hair, you know, do its own thing, separate on its own. So this is basically how I get my hair stretched. If you didn't know, now you know, okay? And it's definitely, you know, a good way. Banding definitely works too if you want to just go straight to banding. That is cool. But usually, I don't know, I just try to do the quickest thing so that I can like finish my video, I guess. Or like if I'm going somewhere, then I don't have time to band. So blow drying it is. It is. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Go ahead and hit that like button. Definitely subscribe to this channel if you've made it this far. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.